Hey everybody, Jason Fairchild with Guaranty RV. I want to thank you for taking the time to check out our website today. I'm going to take you over a Rockwood A122. It is made by Forest River and it's a brand new 2019. Follow me on inside. All right, this is the main A-frame we stock with this layout, and we do great with this floor plan. We've got a bed in the back here with storage below the bed so you can get to it from the top and get your big items in. We've also got access on the outside too, so that's a great storage area there. Nice comfy bed. Down, as we move down the trailer here, it's tough for you to see, but we've got a microwave here, just a basic microwave, good place to warm up some food. Below that there's a little drawer. Also over here below the bed we've got a Cool Cat heat pump, so that will heat and cool this unit. That is a fantastic feature right there. We've got a little speaker here, some 110 power and a cable connection. We've got a sink here with hot and cold running water, 3-burner stove, and below we've got a small fridge to take our food with us. We do also have a cabinet door here with some shelving and some storage area. And then in the front of the trailer we've got the dinette that does make down into additional sleeping. Below your dinette you've got your furnace, you've got your fuse box and circuit breaker, some more 110 power, a speaker, your CO2 detector, and you can turn your water heater on from below there as well. Under this seat we've got some storage. They've already got some stuff in it. It comes with your 30-amp power cord, box of goodies here. And then there's also another box here on top of the table. And this is your exterior barbecue that mounts on the outside. We keep it closed up in the box so when the new owner buys their trailer they get to open it up. But that's a very nice feature. We're going to go outside and go over the exterior features and wrap this video up. Follow me. So full-size grab handle makes it easy for going in and out. We've got a porch light here as well as more 110 power on the exterior. This little antenna here is just for your radio, pick up a signal. This is your exterior speaker for that radio. This here is the bracket that barbecue mounts on, and there's also a table that comes with it for prepping stuff outside that also will mount here. Below the bracket is a connection for your LP propane, which is nice because, you know, storage is kind of at a minimum and there's no point in bringing propane when you've already got propane on board, so you can run off that onboard propane. This is that access door underneath that bed, so it does come with a porta potty, and there's that table I was speaking about. So quite a bit of storage under there. Really nice to have that. As we move around, we do see we have a full-size spare tire, Wi-Fi extender. We've got LED lights throughout. So that storage under the bed is kind of broken up in half. The front portion of that is the water pump, or excuse me, the heat pump. The Cool Cat heat pump is here, so that takes up the front half. That other half is all open over there, and then this back quarter, you get a pull-out tray, which is fantastic. This will come all the way out if you want it to, so it's easy to clean, load up, and then lock here in place. I've unlocked these all before the video and I'll lock them up again after. This is where you're going to use your water for dry camping. If you want to fill it up, that's where it'll go. Here's for your TV. This little opening here is for your sink water. It's your gray water dump. And so what you're supposed to do is catch that in a bucket or in a basin and take that over to the dump station and dump it there. There is no black tank because it comes with that porta potty, so there's nothing to worry about as far as the black tank. If you're going to be staying in a park and using their water, this is where you'll connect to city water. Right here, hot and cold outside shower, great for cleaning off the dog or washing off your shoes. This is the back of the refrigerator, so if you need to access that area, you'll just twist these tabs and open it up. Not a lot of reasons to get in there, but if you do need to, this is how you would do it. This is the exhaust for the LP furnace. So this has nothing to do with the heat pump. That's separate. That will only run off electricity. So if you're plugged in, this is going to be your propane furnace, and this gets very hot if you're running the propane furnace. So I just want to make you aware of that, especially if you're bringing kids. Don't be touching that, or let them know not to touch that. It can burn. This is where that power cord, the 30 amp power cord that's removable, will connect. Goes right there. And then this is your water heater. This heats your water. Real quick, this is the lightest one we carry in A-frames. Dry weight's 1982, and GVW on this, 3200. So really light trailer. You can tow this with just about any truck, and most small SUVs will also be able to do that. If you have any questions on this RV or any of our other RVs in stock, please don't hesitate. Again, my name is Jason Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. I would love to help you with this RV or any others we have in stock. Have a great day.